Have you found yourself in a situation where you are just frustrated with sales? Well, this video, I'm going to share with you 2 frameworks that can be helpful in your process of managing sales. Now, the first framework I'm going to speak to you about, I got from my friend, or I should say friend from afar, Chris Duke. And it's a sales framework that's basically just kind of spelled out through the letter sales. So for the first letter, for S is serve. Put yourself in the position or in the mindset to serve first and make them aware of who you are, what you do, and how you best serve them. And once they seek to conduct business with you potentially, the next thing you need to do, the next letter in sales, is ask. Ask the questions in regards to kind of what are their concerns, their pain points, and what are they seeking to get accomplished. Next, the letter L, your whole job, the biggest job, is listen. Put you in a space to actually listen and gain a great understanding of kind of what are their concerns, or what are kind of some of those boundaries that is preventing them from getting to where they want to go. And it's your goal to kind of listen out for those key things that they consider that are boundaries. Next, you're going to empathize, letter E. And basically, you're going to empathize with this individual. You're going to probably share previous experiences, rather it's personal or a previous customer that you have worked with that has been in a similar scenario, and how your services best fit them reaching their goals and jumping over those hurdles and things of that nature. And last but not least, you're going to summarize. Basically, you're going to kind of cover everything you've discussed and transition to potential options that can help support them in reaching their goals. Now, the next framework I've learned from Noah Kagan. I have picked this up from this podcast by the name of, I am drawing a brain fart, but I'm just going to give you that framework, and it's called L.O.T. And it's very similar to the sales framework that Chris Duke suggests, and that is L. Put your, the key one is put yourself in a place where you can listen to the information. If you have learned anything from this video, make sure you put yourself in a position to be a great listener. The next letter, O, you're going to share several options that may be a fit for their concerns. And last but not least, in that this framework is T, and that is transition. Once again, talk about, okay, what can be handled, what could we do next to get you moving forward to your goals. I hope you find the sales framework or the L.O.T. framework useful. What I kind of gathered from my summarization from both of these frameworks is the key is to put yourself out there to make people aware of your service. That's the ultimate goal with business. Make people aware of your business. And once they have interest in what you offer, make sure you're asking the appropriate questions necessary to make sure that possibly doing business is a fit. Next, discuss the possible boundaries or things that may be impeding them reaching them goals. And then next, you're going to empathize and show how you have helped others get past those hurdles. And last but not least, summarize to transition to the potential options necessary in regards to a financial and time obligation to help them reach their goals and come to a mutual agreement for both parties. I hope this video is helpful in helping you finding some key areas where you can, key gems in here where you're able to help you in your sales success. My name is Jay Patrick. If you enjoy content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. You guys take care.